Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night, and welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and it's a beautiful day outside and your girl is busy as can possibly be. I've been at it from morning because today is my husband's birthday. Happy birthday, honey. I love you so much, and hopefully you will have a wonderful day, but of course you know that your baby will make sure of it. So I have been busy in the kitchen from morning. It is so hard to surprise somebody who you live with every day and you does everything with every day, and you also have a baby at home who needs your attention in terms of planning things and getting things done. But this is my husband's 6th birthday that we will be spending together ever since we met. As a matter of fact, we met for the first time face to face on his birthday back in Jamaica. That's when he came to visit me on his birthday. So this day really means a lot to us, and we have never spent a birthday of his apart ever since we met. Every year we make sure that we're together on his birthday. Unlike my birthdays, is either we spend it together or I'm back home, but that's what it is. But on his birthdays we're always together, and we will continue to make sure that happen. But as tradition, I always make him something on his birthday, but he have no idea what it is. But this year I decided to do it a little bit different. I am actually in the kitchen making him some barbecue ribs and some mashed potatoes and vegetables for a surprise romantic dinner this afternoon when he gets home. And I think he knows that I am up to something, but I don't think he knows what it is. So seeing that Tyler is the quietest in the morning, I decided that hey, might as well I get everything out the way from in the morning. So I'm in the kitchen about to get the sauce on these ribs and get them out of my way. They're actually finished, but it tastes so good. It's actually finished. I just need to put the sauce on it, put it back in the oven for a few minutes, and then get my mashed potato ready. I won't do the vegetable until in the afternoon because I don't want it to be too cold, and you know. And I got him a cake, and I got champagne and wine and everything, and I decorate the table with candles and all that good stuff. So let's see if I can pull this off by the time he gets home. I think he's going to come home a little bit early. That is also one of the reasons why I'm trying to get everything out of the way from now. So and also that I can attend to Tyler when he needs me, because it is almost Tyler's lunchtime. So I need to finish this in time to give Tyler his lunch, put him down for a nap, so I can finish up to do what I want to do. I need to put some candles on the floor and stuff, but I won't be able to do that until I know that he's almost home. The thing is, we have a tradition where, I wouldn't say a tradition, but that's just how we are, where whenever I reach work, he would tell me that he reached, and when he's leaving, he would tell me that he's leaving, and he check on me throughout the day 24/7. So it's not like I won't know when he leaves work and how far he is and when he reach home. So I just hope the amount of candles that I have, I hope I'll be able to light all of them before he gets home. I don't know how I'm going to pull this off, but let's get it done. Again, happy birthday, honey, and I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. You mean so much to Tyler and I, and you know, your girl got you for your birthday. I'll make sure of it. I love you so much, and I really do hope you enjoy your day. Next year will be the big 3-0, and we are going to do something even bigger. So let's get down to this dinner. Okay, so finish my potato, my vegetables to cook this afternoon in about the next 3 hours or so. And then the ribs is almost done. All right, so I'm well on my way. I'm so nervous. The thing is, I always do dinners like this for him, but I don't know why I feel so nervous this time. I don't know why I feel so nervous around this time, and it's not like he's a stranger or anything. But the funniest thing, every time I do something appreciative or something romantic, I get really nervous, like I am meeting him all over again for the first time. I'm so in love with this man. It's crazy, but you know, that's what life should be about, and that's how you should feel when you are in a relationship or in a marriage with somebody. The feeling is mutual, feeling is real. I'm having butterflies all over again just doing this for him. Hi guys, so it's now afternoon and it's time for babe to get home. I think my anxiety has finally gone, but as you can see, I finished my setup and it's almost 5:30. It's almost 5:30. He told me that he's leaving work at 5:30. Let me show you guys my little outfit first. So that's my outfit, and this is the table before I light all those candles. That's his cake. Don't you think his cake is so cute? That's his cake, and that's dinner that I made: ribs and mashed potatoes and vegetables. And see, I made his setup. Whoa, that's not like he's messaging me that he's leaving. And candles, and there's champagne and wine over there. And I did this in the middle of the floor. So I'm about to light these now because I think that he's on his way. So here we go. I'm about to just go ahead and light these candles and wait for him to come. I'm going to start lighting them now because a lot of candles. I don't know why I'm using so much candles. It's a lot of candles, but I'm a candle kind of girl. So I'm just going to start lighting them before he gets here, or else he's gonna have to stay outside. The good thing is I put my key in the door from on the inside. That way, if he's opening the door from the outside, he won't be able to let himself in. He would have to buzz the door. So I'm just gonna go ahead and light the candles and wait for him to get home. So you guys, this is so funny. I am so late. He came home earlier than I expected, and I had to change my formation on the floor because I wouldn't have time to light everything. So I just write his number of birthday, 29, in the floor, and I'm going to light the sprinklers now. And I just finished lighting the candles on the table, and I think he's outside ringing, so I'm just going to light the sprinklers and go and let him in. Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sing. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. We trick Papa.
I was suspecting some more thing. You know when?
When?
I saw this is closed, and I said, she want to control. She want to control me when I come in. And then when you knock, I ring, and then
I'm dying. I'm sweating like a pool. Please make a wish. Yay! 1, 2, 3, go! There's Tyler. You guys haven't seen Tyler all day. Yeah, he's over there examining all his things that I made for him. So we're going to just go spend some quality time together, and we'll catch you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.